In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a copy of my tax return from the IRS on TurboTax. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can quickly find what you need without hunting through menus. Have your TurboTax account open in a web browser and make sure you're in the correct tax year you care about. Start on the main TurboTax screen and choose Tax Home. This brings you to your dashboard, which summarizes your current or most recent filing. If you were in the middle of preparing a return, Tax Home takes you out to the overview so you can see your filing status, any e-file acknowledgments, and shortcuts to your documents. On desktop, Tax Home is usually in the left-hand navigation. If you're on a phone or tablet, you might see it behind a menu icon, but the label is the same. Give the page a second to fully load so all your links populate. This helps avoid clicking into the wrong place while the interface catches up. Next, scroll down and select Tax Returns and Documents. This section is where TurboTax organizes your available returns by year. You'll typically see a list of tax years, and within each year, the documents TurboTax can provide, such as your prepared return and any associated paperwork. Because this area is year-specific, it's a good place to confirm you're viewing the right filing. If you filed multiple years with TurboTax, you'll see them grouped here, and the most recent one is often at the top. A quick tip on what you're looking at. Your return copy in TurboTax is the same return you filed, which is useful for verifying line items, confirming what was submitted, or sharing documentation with a lender or tax professional. If you're comparing numbers to what the IRS has on file, remember that the IRS also offers official transcripts on its website. However, for most day-to-day needs, like confirming income entries or deductions, the documents in this TurboTax section are what people use. If you don't see the year you expect, double check that you're signed in to the correct TurboTax account you used for that filing year. It's common to have more than one account from prior seasons. Also note that document availability can vary depending on how and when you filed. When you do access your return, consider saving a copy to a secure location and keeping a backup on encrypted storage for safekeeping. That's it. Go to Tax Home, then scroll to Tax Returns and Documents, and you'll be in the right place to access your return information. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly find the copy you need.